Welcome back, OG fam. Today we've got another detail quickie, 365 ceramic spray coating. As you may or may not be able to tell, I've been busting my hump on today's Corvette. She is completely decontaminated. I ended up two-stepping the paint because it was a little bit worse than I thought. The clay bar took out so much contamination. So all of that is done. My final step was the 360 ceramic one-step on a one-step pad. Boom, all over. Now we're ready to coat. So now you know everything is clean. It's ready to go. We are going to work one panel at a time. So we're gonna make this one panel, we're gonna make it half the hood. So we're going to first turn it on, and then we're going to spray directly on the surface. Then we're going to rub it in with an applicator. Remember, we're going to do a crosshatch pattern back and forth. Okay, and then the other way. That way you make sure that you've got a really good coat. Boom. Now it's going to haze for 2 to 3 minutes, then we're going to come back and we're going to level it off with a microfiber towel. So, enjoy this musical number while you wait. I'm going to clean up. Okay, we're back. I don't have an inline microfiber, but what I do have is the old trusty Kirkland Microfibers. I know a lot of people hate on the Costco Kirkland, but they're pretty plush. They do okay. So now we just level it off. I get all of it out of here. All right, let's take a look. What can you see? Can you see anything? I don't know. It's gonna protect it. It's gonna protect it for an entire year. This is a great upsell. It's easily applied, and for a 1-year coating that maybe they don't want to spring the $1,000 or $1,200 for a full ceramic coat, they can at least spring for the ceramic spray coating. So I'm going to finish up. I'm going to do the rest of this car. Maybe I'll put some pictures at the end, but it's a great coating. I've used it on my own cars personally, and I believe in it. So I hope you enjoyed this week's Detail Quickie. Again, it's Mckee's 365 ceramic spray coating. Pretty sure you've seen me do this before. Don't know. Click like, subscribe if this is what you're into. Hey, I'm not here to tell you what to do, but, you know, do me a solid, I guess. I don't know. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care. She came out gorgeous. That red pops after a cut, polish, decontamination. We did the works on this thing. We really took care of this customer. It's a lot of work, but it definitely was worth it. Look at that reflection, yo. It's spray ceramic coating, everything. So, all right.